Is Wall Street missing the real story behind Palantir's explosive growth? Analyst Dan Ives argues that Palantir's performance is flying under Wall Street's radar. While many investors focus on the usual tech giants, Palantir's unique position in AI and data analytics could be setting the stage for a major market surprise. But what exactly is Wall Street overlooking in Palantir's strategy that could change the game?
And I think that's why they're the Messi of AI. And when it comes to the use cases on the enterprise, they're exploding. Look, I think next 2 to 3 years, this is $1 trillion market cap.
If it's the Lionel Messi of this particular AI boom, then what the expectations are have to be really high. How much does it have to beat by, and on what metrics, for that stock to keep continuing on the trajectory that it's on?
Yeah, it's a great question. Look, commercial growth called 45, 50%. But when I'm looking over the next, call it 6, 12 months, I think the Street's underestimating numbers 15, 20%. I mean, this is just in the beginning of this AI revolution. And when you look at who's leading it, of course, it's Godfather of AI, Jensen, NVIDIA, Microsoft. Look at all the hyperscalers. The use cases are led by Palantir. They're basically playing chess, and everyone else is playing checkers. And that's why I think that's what's going to show up tonight.
Okay, if that's going to show up tonight, this is also a situation where you can't dispute the fact, Dan, that many of these types of names, Palantir included, have seen a massive surge in terms of their market values over the course of the last year, and especially over the last 2 years, given the AI boom. It's leading some folks to question whether or not valuations are justified at these levels. Some are even using the word bubble, likening it to back in the dot-com boom. Is that the case here?
I mean, I think it could be further from the truth, because there's some of that covered tech stocks in the late 90s, in the bubble. This is dramatically different because it's a revolution. It's trillions of dollars that's going to be spent over the next few years. And that's why it's a fourth industrial revolution. When you look at Palantir, look, if you look at just the valuation over the next year, you've missed every transformational tech stock the last 20 years. And I believe Palantir is one of the core leaders of not just next year, of next 3, 5 years. I think Karp and the team are playing a different game. And I think it all comes down to use cases on the enterprise. And I've said it's only 10 p.m. in this AI party that goes to 4 a.m. It was 9 p.m.